What's up, young scientists? I, Jonathan, am your host today, and I've got an amazingly sweet experiment for you all to try out. It's incredibly simple, I promise. Here's what you're going to need. Some Skittles, a cup of warm water, and a small plate. Alright, let's begin. First, what you're going to need to do is set these candies around in a circular pattern along the edge of your plate, like this. Next, very carefully, take your warm water and fill up the plate, but be very careful not to make the water overflow. In fact, we just want the water to go up to about halfway up the height of the candies. You probably won't use all your water, and that's okay. Now, all we have to do is wait. Let's see what this time lapse shows us. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes, and look what we had here. Isn't it incredible? Look at all the colors. We made our own miniature rainbow. It's time for the science. How does this work? Well, the outside of these Skittles have a coating. The coating consists of mostly sugar and food coloring. As you might know, sugar dissolves in water, and food coloring does as well. So, in the warm water, the colored coating of each candy slowly dissolves and expands into the open water. It follows a process called diffusion, where areas of the water that have a lot of coating want to share their coating equally with areas that only have a little bit of coating. The liquid purposely wants to disperse itself as equally as possible everywhere around it. But when the dissolved coating of one candy runs into the dissolved coating of another candy, the water around it both now have the same amount of sugar, albeit from different candies, so it no longer needs to expand in that direction. That's where these borders come from. How can you expand upon this experiment? You could try using different candies like M&Ms, peppermints, or Jolly Ranchers. You could even try using different liquids instead of water, like milk or oil. Instead of a simple circular pattern, you could be a little adventurous if you have any leftover candies and make your own patterns, like the patterns I have here. There are so many more things you can do, so all that's left is to go do them. Thanks for watching, and always remember to stay curious.